Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store. So click, then tap on the search bar and download your new default app. In my case, Opera Mini Browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and click Home button. Following that, go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now choose Manage Apps and click on those three dots at the top right corner. From here you need to select Default Apps, tap on one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so in my case Browser app. Tap on the best one for you, I want to set up Opera, and simply go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!